There, look. See them trying to blend in with coal. That's what they're doing. Let's just see if we can get it to ask for some bread. Bread or sausage. Come on, Kez! Kez! Here I Kez, come on, Kez! Oh, watch it, watch it! Come on, Kez! Come on, Kez, come on! Diggy, 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 diggy! Right, let's watch it. Oh, they're usually shy species, these. But these are forward. Right, is it going to do it? Is it? Are you going to do it, Kez? Come on, Kez! It's not going to do it out, is it? It's not going to ask, this one. This one's cocky. Hey, that one. I mean, I love animals, I love birds, all species, flies, maggots and lot. I can't stand, there's no to west than a cocky black-crested water pigeon. That one's it, look at it, showing me its back. How rude is that? Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, blackbirds. Go on! Yeah, it's fucked off! Go on! Look at him! Cheeky pair of... Go on! Yeah, you will piss off. Don't come back at all.